Hey guys, welcome back. So the Z Fold 4 is just a month away from the launch and we know everything exactly about this device. But now some reports are coming about its display crease where a photo was also shared. On the other hand, the chipset which will be powering the device is also looking very promising. But before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So Samsung is pretty confident about these next generation folding smartphones by increasing the production in comparison to last year. Ice Universe is also very much impressed by the display crease of the phone, where he also did a comparison in between the Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 3 by sharing photos, and we can clearly see that the Fold 4 is looking much more cleaner this time. Although this is not as good as the Oppo folding phone, but still Samsung done a good job here. Not to mention that the crease on the Z Flip 4 is also looking more cleaner than the Z Fold 4, which is even more surprising. Anyways, you guys let me know what do you think about this in the comment section. Now both of the folding devices will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which according to official information is very much stable in thermals and pretty energy efficient as well. ICE also says that this new chipset will give you confidence to buy the flagship smartphones in the second half of this year, and this is due to the newer 4nm TSMC fabrication process and little higher frequencies, where officially Qualcomm says that they have done a 10% increase in GPU clock speed so that you will get a 30% GPU power reduction and you will get up to 10% more GPU performance. Talking about the CPU part, then it will give you up to 10% better CPU performance and up to 30% improved power efficiency. Plus this platform delivers additional power savings and extended performance across the board, including over 80 minutes longer video streaming and more than 50 minutes longer web browsing, which is pretty insane. Finally, the flagship devices will offer up to the mark performance without losing onto the power because of the heat. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you feel about this? And if you end up liking this information, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.